Hello students, it is the tutorial video of your SoundCloud assignment. So what you're going to do in this assignment, as you know, is to record your reading of your text from our textbook, right? And then upload it to SoundCloud and then share the link to our classroom Google form. Okay, now I will tell you how to upload your recording to SoundCloud. Okay. So now you open a Google tab and then search for SoundCloud. Click on SoundCloud. And you need to sign in. You can sign in with your Google. Okay, now you sign in. And then you want to upload. Click on the upload button. Choose a file to upload. So you have to know where your recording file is, right? For me, it's here. So just click on 7.1. It's the first text for the lesson 7. Okay, and then open it. And then the title is 7.1. Make sure you put in this title, and then everybody knows which text you read. And then you can add description. You want to public it because everybody, like your classmates, want to listen to it and give you comments. You save. Okay, it's uploaded already, and then here's the link. You want to copy it and paste to your Google form under the link. Okay, so this is how you post it. And then I want you to also make comments on two of your classmates' Google, the SoundCloud uploading. So after Annie puts some link in here, you just click on the link and listen to it.
Text 1. 小雨，你想不想去看电影？什么电影？
Okay, so after you listen to this soundtrack, and you want to make comments, maybe you find that Annie didn't read 电影 very accurate. You want to write here. You can do better on reading 电影. Okay, something like that. And then I want you to click on the link of Jack and give another comment. So post the link and give 2 comments.